Hey y'all, so I'm back with another business video, and today I'm going to be filling some tubes. I have a wholesale order to do, squeeze tube and wand tube. She ordered 60 tubes, 30 squeeze and 30 wands, and she wants all nude glosses. And I just wanted to show you guys my new and improved nude glosses. This is how they look. So if you don't know, the vendor that I was using before, if you go back and watch the video, you'll know the vendor that I was using. She started selling the pigments, the colorant thingies that I was using. So I had to find someone else, which I did, and I'm like really glad that I did. I love the pigments that I was using before, but I just feel like these pop more, and these ones are pigmented and they just look really bomb. Somewhere throughout the video I'll show you guys swatches, but these right here, these new and improved nude glosses are bomb. They're like really creamy and they're just pretty. Like, I just feel like these are so much better. Like, look at that. They are so much better. Like, the colors, they just pop more. It's just bomb. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys me filling it. This one is Dream Chaser. It's still bubblegum scented. I didn't change the scents, just the colors that change. This one didn't change as much. It may be, well, I don't know, it really didn't change as much. It's just pigmented now. But this one is Millionaire and it's still vanilla scented. And here is Go Getter, a pretty pink color, and this one is Cake Batter scented. We have these available in sample size. We also have them available in squeeze tube, and you can get these in wand or squeeze for wholesale. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the video, start filling, because your girl is tired. This is my last order for the night. That's all I'm doing, and I just want to get done. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I hope that y'all enjoy the music that I'm gonna have playing, because I'm not about to be talking. I don't have much to talk about right now. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 10K subscribers, so please support me and hit the subscribe button. Follow my social media accounts down below in the description box, and make sure you shop and use the code YTFAM at checkout for $4 off of your purchase. I forgot to mention, but it was like, I think over a month I was trying out other companies' lip liquids, lip colorants, whatever you want to call them. Y'all, it was so stressful. I remember sitting in my room crying because I couldn't get the colors exactly how I wanted them. Like, they were coming out so ugly. It was a mess. And people were ordering the nudes. I had to send out what I was making at that time, and I was just so disappointed in my work. Like, it wasn't up to par like it usually is and how I like it to be. But yeah, if you order from me now, you will definitely get bomb top quality nude glosses. They will look like these. and it would be like I couldn't get my color the same each time. Like I would have a perfect batch one time, then the next time it would just be horrible. I wasted so much money trying out other people's pigments, and they were just trash. Like honestly, they were trash. So I may do a giveaway one day because I have a bunch of pigments. Y'all may be able to put them to some use. When my stuff doesn't come out right, I get very, very frustrated. I was in here crying, like literally crying, because I couldn't get my Millionaire wouldn't come out right. And if you go look at my Instagram story, you'll see that these new glosses are way better than my my old ones. Like everything is just better about them.